Part 6. It is Wednesday morning, March 17th, 2021. Yesterday I did more work on the allegorical gun rights, terrorism, mass shooting attacks, pro-death sea monster on the left here, including working on the eyes, the tongue, the teeth. I drew in 3 more sets of like upper and lower teeth, like all kind of angrily, beyond frowning. And I've decided that this will be the how it's going to be inserted in the frame with the victim, the murdered Circulation Services library assistant on the right, the sea monster on the left. People read, from left to right in this country. So I have next I'm going to be going over all the these pencil sections around here, and over here with ink, and then I'll decide what colors I'm going to add to those kind of scaly-like sections, as well as the lips and possibly the teeth as well. All right, to be continued. It's getting closer to completion.